Hey guys, so honestly I have been up for a good minute. I just got done brushing my teeth, but today is going to be a very productive day. I am on spring break and I have to do so many things. I have to clean my room and I want to go to Walmart and a lot of other stuff, so just come with me because it might not, if I make a list, it might not be done. So I'm just going to start by cleaning my room because honestly I want to come home to a clean room if I leave out. That's just it. So yeah. Honestly, I know y'all can't see my face, but I'm kind of like deep cleaning and organizing today, because you know, spring cleaning, because some of the stuff, oh, found it. Oh, it didn't find it. I thought this was something else. So you know, like we do spring cleaning with things. And you have to keep all your stuff organized. That's what I'm trying to do. But some of this stuff, it's almost time for it to be thrown away. Honestly, that's the real truth. It's almost time to say goodbye to it. Like, or just organize it in a way. This stuff I'm keeping for sure. I don't know about the nail stuff. Honestly, I need a new one. That's exactly what I need. I need a new one, because that one's just, we don't have anything for that. These are all my collectible things. Okay, I'm definitely keeping it. I guess I'll keep the nail stuff for now until further notice. But it just needs to be clean because it's just sticking out. Like, all of this stuff is just sticking out of nothing. It wasn't like actually placed in it. Okay, guys. Now, all I have to do really is... Oh, can you see me? Ah! All I have to do now is clean off my bed and do this closet. But to see the closet, you have to go to another video. The video is going to probably be out after this video. Probably a couple of days after this video. So make sure you check it out in the link below. Or just follow me on social media. It might be out before. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. It might come out before. And if you watch it, you watch it. Good job. Thank you. But if you don't watch it, what do you mean you didn't watch it? So yes, it's gonna come out before this video, so you should be seeing this being cleaned. This is the before. You didn't see the dirty. But it needs to be clean, it needs to be organized. I'm gonna be taking out things. Okay, y'all, so I am currently done cleaning my room. And don't forget to watch the video. You don't have to do it right now. Oh. My sandwiches are done. I ate some already. So I'm gonna go off camera and eat. Guess I'm eating too. I'm gonna go off and eat because I don't want to talk. I just want to eat. Okay, guys. So I am not going to Walmart anymore because I just don't feel like leaving the house. So I decided to order it off of Amazon, and I'm folding my clothes on my bed. And my closet is finally cleaned, but you can't see it. You have to go to the other video to watch it. But I don't know. I might try to go look for a scrap book. Who knows? But as of right now, I'm about to go and get in the bath because that's how my productive day is going right now because I'm on spring break. So I need to relax. So yeah. And then later tonight, I want to work out. But yeah, I'm getting in the bath first. So let's run this bath with me. Okay, y'all, so I just got out the bath and I think I'm just gonna make this like the rest of the spring break like video because why not? Who's gonna stop me? So I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow because I'm really not doing anything today. I guess you just see me clean my room, but tomorrow I might clean the bathroom and hopefully leave the house. Well, I know I'm leaving the house for dance. So here's me on the Tuesday of spring break doing absolutely nothing. Okay guys, so we're at Chili's. Because this is the new Chili's in Chicago.
I hope we can trust this place.
So what? I hope we can trust this place. He told me, I hope we can trust this place. Trust it? I hope we can get in it. Okay, so now we've had 10 to 20 minutes until we can sit down. So we're going to Dollar Tree. And I am so excited because I need to go to Dollar Tree because I want to see if they have a scrapbook. So,
AJ, you want me to just, whatever money you spend, you want me to take it out of?
Here's our food. The cheese pull was immaculate.
And I so, baby. Ooh, thank you. Did you have to catch up?
That was good. Hey y'all, it's Friday. It's the next day, and it's my friend Jamila's birthday party. So let's just get ready for that. I'm gonna do a fast motion of my makeup because I can't really talk because I have to get ready. So yeah, let's get ready.